What's up, Trap family? It's your boy Big Set Trip and Marissa.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Today, we're gonna show you how to make MEGETABLES. What's that? Well, everybody's about plant-based meat. At Trap Bistro, we're all about meat-based plants, guys. So stay tuned and smash that subscribe button, and we'll show you how to make some MEGETABLES. We got some chicken breast that we cut into strips, and we're gonna season it up with some salt. Let's go ahead and let's roll it up. We gotta roll it in the shape of a carrot. Looks like a carrot to me. Next, go ahead and wrap it in saran wrap and tie it with a little twine at the end.
Hey guys, so don't forget to flip it over after about 15-20 minutes.
All right, guys, we got our 2 carrots right there. Now we're gonna roll it in the carrot powder. Okay, Marissa, do the other one. I hope you guys are excited as we are. We're about to taste these MEGETABLES. All right, Marissa, let's go ahead and give it a taste.
This looks really exciting. You just cut it?
You just cut it. You can pick it up and eat it like a carrot. That's cool.
Mmm, that's good.
Tastes like a carrot. It's made out of meat.
Oh, you got to try this. This is so good. Really good.
This is really good if you're eating keto or gluten-free. Doesn't have any gluten up in there. Really good, guys.
This is delicious, you guys. It's meaty and it tastes just like a carrot. You're getting some good protein. You're getting your vegetables, your vitamin A.
Vitamin A. Good for your eyes. Guys, I wish all salads were made out of MEGETABLES.
That would be so good.
So it's a little sweet
and
a little chewy, kind of like a cooked carrot. Right there.
At first I thought it was a sweet potato. The outside and the smell of it as it's cooking. But it is so good. The bigger, the better. All right, this is a great way to get your kids to eat vegetables. It's good? All right.
All right, guys, there you have it. MEGETABLES, Marrots. Till next time, Trap Bistro out.